Cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility. Your team members are a risk and an asset. They are the ones targeted in phishing attacks, and their mistakes can lead to severe vulnerabilities. However, they can also act as your first line of defense against cybersecurity risks once they're equipped to recognize and deal with cyber threats. What can this look like? It could be a member of your team losing their laptop or phone and it getting into the wrong hands. It could be someone failing to spot the signs of a scam email, making a payment to an account, or clicking a link they shouldn't. Or it could be as simple as using a public Wi-Fi network when working on sensitive data. Headforwards Digital Academy cybersecurity course for employees is designed to ensure your team is aware of common risks and threats specific to your business and their own responsibility in managing them. Your team will be left with the ability to identify vulnerabilities specific to your organization and have a toolkit for how to make sure they don't cause a breach.